YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Skin PSD mockup for iPhone Air. I have one of the file right here, iPhone Air PSD file. So I just want to double tap on it and open in my Photoshop. If you want to change this color, iPhone color, to a different one, you can do it too. If you want to change pattern with it, you can do it too. You can see the first layer that is called design. So you have to just double tap on it, and you have to just double tap on the first layer. So if you want to change the color, you can change it to the purple. I just want to select purple, just hit OK, and just you have to Command plus S on the Mac. You have to save. Right here you can see the color is changed for the iPhone Air. So if you want to change if you want to put your own design and pattern on that iPhone, you can do it too. So you have to select the previous layer right here. I already downloaded a file from the internet. You can just drag on the Photoshop right here. So it's you have to drag right here, right there. Okay, so you have to drag all the way. You have to drag all the way. You have to cover up that layer box right there. Perfect. Just hit double tap from the mouse right here, and on the Mac you had an option key for the clipping masking, and on the Windows you have alt key. You have tap the option key on the Mac, just hit right click from the mouse. There you go, and you have to just click and save. You can see our pattern is installed. It looks so good, right? So you can use your own pattern, you can use your own design to showcase your product to the customer. That's all in the video. I hope you guys like it. If you watch more videos like this, skins mockup, please subscribe our channel. We will make more videos